G'day folks, welcome back to the channel, Bus Driver Nick. Thanks for watching. Just a reminder to please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, if you're enjoying the content so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. But I'm doing one of my Bus Driver Ultimate videos. I haven't done one of these for a while. But if you remember my last video, I was showing you how to operate the bus and how to drive the bus. Well, I've actually brought a new bus now. If you just look at the screen over in front of us here, it's a different dashboard. This is a big tag axle coach I've brought. So I'll just change the camera angle so you can get a look at the new bus. So lovely view of the vehicle there. Still named Nico's Coach Lines. But what I wanted to show you guys today, as I mentioned last time, just some additional controls for playing the game. So this is great time, it's just started raining on the video. So I'm just going to get back to my favoured driving camera angle. So I've got the dashboard there. Now as it started raining, if you look at just below the actual steering wheel of the bus, there is a whole lot of controls. You can see lights, door controls, and others. So I'm just going to run through this. So first of all, when you pick up passengers, you want to be able to open the doors. So if you look at the front door, I push the red button and you'll hear the door open. The baggage locker goes green, you'll hear the luggage doors open. So if I go back to the other camera angle, you'll see now that these are actually open. So I've got the passenger door open there and the locker door open as well. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard. Now the rain's actually just stopped, but I will go to the window wiper icon just here. If I press this on my iPhone 11 Pro Max, we'll get the window wipers operating. So I'm just using the iPhone to pick my settings here, so I'm going to turn the window wipers back off. Okay, now to the left of the window wiper icon is the horn. You can see that illuminating there. So once again, I'm just mirroring with my iPhone, so everything I press on the screen of my iPhone will press on the TV screen. So we've got headlights on the right of the dashboard there. So headlights on and green, headlights off. Headlights on, headlights off. And then we have our indicators, right indicator, left indicator, and hazards. Just like a real bus. Okay, so I'm going to shut the doors. And I'm going to go for a little bit of a drive on my new bus, which I've just brought. So I haven't played this game for a while. I've been too busy driving rail coaches here in Dunedin, New Zealand. My job as a bus and coach driver, but I'm really excited with my new tag axle tour coach here. Okay guys, so now I've showed you some of these additional controls, my indicators and my horn and my doors and my lockers. I'm going to go for a little bit of a drive on my new coach. Okay guys, I'm just coming to the next bus stop here, coming off the motorway. I'm going to pull in here shortly. I'm just going to find a park. So the green mark is where I need to pull into. So I'm just going to straighten up a bit there. Right, I'm in the park, so I'm going to stop, I'm going to open my doors, I'm going to put it into park. Right, the bus is now in park. I'm going to open my doors and my baggage. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video, Bus Driver Ultimate. As you can see, I've got a bit of practice to do, but nice to get out there in the new bus. And you can see now how we use our indicators, horn and window wipers. So join me next time and we'll show you some more features of Bus Driver Ultimate using the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Cheers, see you next time.